So we've arrived back in Florida for the winter, and my goodness, do we have wasps. Well, hey everybody, this is Bill with Live Simple, Live Free. Every time we come down here in the fall, I have to battle wasps because wasps build nests all summer long, and they're mostly in my carport right there. I love that carport, even though it's too short and my camper truck won't fit in there. I put my motorcycle in there, and it's just nice to have a place outside that's out of the weather, and I really enjoy that. But the wasps love that underside of that carport, and they are everywhere. So I'm going to have to deal with it. I've mentioned this in the past, and I've had several comments about how I can deal with them. Some people say to take a paper bag and blow it up and hang it up. It looks like a hornet's nest, and wasps are afraid of hornets. Or you can buy a fake hornet's nest and hang up there. Other people have said that if we paint the underside of the carport sky blue, light blue, they'll think it's the sky and they won't build a nest there. I don't know, but both of those seem kind of suspect to me. But at any rate, so I'm just going to have to take them all out, knock them all down, and clean them all out. It's so bad right now, it's almost scary to walk under there. So here we go. Completely full of wasps. That one, that one, that one. Even the small ones, completely full of wasps. This is our door that goes into the kitchen. There's wasps all over there. This is the door to our laundry room. Every time you open the door, there's wasps swinging with the door. This is crazy. I also have, that's also some kind of a bee's nest. Is that a mud dauber? I have no idea what that is. There's also all of this stuff. I don't know what that is, but the whole underside of the carport is covered with that dirt. I'm going to have to completely pressure wash to get all that stuff out of here. And then I've got under the eaves around the back of the house. Look at this. Wow. And I can't even believe how many wasp nests there are here. I've been battling them for a week. I spray a nest full of wasps, and then I come back the next day and there's still a half a dozen more, I guess ones that were not in the nest when I sprayed it. So I've been spraying it basically in the evening where hopefully most of them will be home. But like I said, I've been working on it for a week. I Finally got to the point where I think they're all gone. I'm a little nervous here because of the bees, the possible bees around, and my phone just rang in my pocket and the vibration scared me to death because I'm a little bit on edge. Looks like I got an old bird's nest back here. That one's still got a few wasps in it. Oh, not anymore. So I've got these wasp nests all over the place, but I've also got a few of these, like a mud pack there, a mud dauber of some sort. But I've knocked down a bunch of those and never seen one active. So I don't know exactly what that is. They all have holes in them where you can see whatever bee went inside. You can see the entrance, but there's nothing in there. So maybe it's the wrong season. They're all over winter or something. I don't know. Hey, good morning.
Oh, good morning.
What you doing?
I'm doing a puzzle, and I'm just completely enjoying this porch, and it's a gorgeous day. I love it out here.
Right now we just have our chairs from our lawn chairs from our truck sitting here. We want to get some porch furniture that would be more permanent.
Yeah. So, yep, I've just got my good old rocker that we keep in the RV all the time. I love it out here. The chimes keep playing when the breeze blows.
And I got my hot tub set up the other day, and it's actually working. Not like the one in Virginia. Been using it the last couple nights. That's a lot of wasp nests. Okay, so now I got all the wasp nests cleaned out, and I got the floor all swept up and cleaned up. But this place is a mess. This wall, it's like some kind of a, almost like a spider web or something in there. I don't know. And then there's little tan spots. I don't even know what those are, but they're all over the place. And this wall in here, this dirty wall over here, you know, no rain gets into here because it's under the carport, but the wind still gets in here. And so whatever's making all of these little spiderweb kinds of things, and then the wind blows in and it gets all stuck on their spider webs. Anyway, it's a mess and I got to clean it up. I'm just going to take a hose to it and see if that'll take care of it. If it doesn't, then I'll have to get a pressure washer. But it sure will feel better once I can get this thing cleaned up. I don't know if you can see on the camera how much this is cleaning off. It's not cleaning off all of it, but it's getting probably 80% of it. It's already looking much better. Even the pressure of this hose isn't cleaning everything off. I'm going to have to probably, if I want to get it really clean, I'm going to have to get a pressure washer, which I don't have. I guess I can rent one. So what do you think, dear one?
Well, boy, it is hugely better than it was, that's for sure.
It's not perfect by any means, but now it doesn't give you the creepy crawlies when you walk under here anymore.
It was a little hard to be under here at first, but it's so full of wasp nests.
Yeah.
Also, that's so much nicer and cleaner. And
yeah, there were 2 wasp nests here on the door when you. This is our laundry room. When you went in here, they were swinging with you.
yeah, it's
kind of nerve-wracking.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
So, oh yeah, thanks for all the hard work, sweetheart. My goodness.
Unless I can figure out some kind of a permanent solution, I got to do this every fall when we come down here because they build nests all summer long when we're not here.
Yep, yep.
So.
Yeah, they go to town. Whew.
Yep. Anyway, thanks for watching.
Yes, live simple.
Live free. You be blessed.
Yes, we love you guys, and we'll see you very soon.
All right. Bye-bye.